Hi Lyme friends, my name is Jordan. I live in Vancouver, Canada. After 10 years of symptoms, I finally found out about Lyme disease about a year ago. Ever since then, I've been doing way better. I treat myself with herbal remedies from the book Healing Lyme by Stephen Buhner, and I also take vitamins and supplements. Here are some tips for living with Lyme. Number 1, make sure you reduce inflammation in your diet. So unfortunately, I have to stay away from gluten, dairy, and sugar. I also adopted a vegetarian lifestyle, and that helps me with the pain and inflammation. Number 2, reduce toxins as much as possible. So I try and eat organic, and I also use clean cosmetics and personal hygiene products and cleaning products in my house. Number 3, make sure you're staying hydrated and getting plenty of rest. I use water filters in both my drinking water and my shower to reduce the amount of chemicals in the water. Thank you for watching my video, and happy healing, everybody.